Hello children, hello, hello. Hello children, hello, hello. How are you today? How are you today? Children, hope everybody are keeping fine at home. Children, now I am going to show you a picture. What picture is this, children? Yes, this is the picture of a home. Where do we live, children? Yes, we all live in a home. Who all live in your home? Can you tell me? Yes, your papa, your mama, your brother, your sister, and sometimes your grandmother and your grandfather too live in your home. Children, home has got different parts. The top part of the house is called the roof. What is this, children? Tell me. Here, this is the top part. Yes, this is called the roof. And this one is the door. And this is the window. See here. Tell me, what is this? This is the window. And see, this is the wall. This part is called wall. This is the wall of a house. Say, children, what is this? Wall. And this is the fence. This is the fence. Yes, can you see the fence over here? This is the fence. And can you see the lawn over here in front of the house? The green color one? Yes, a bed of grass, a bed of green grass. This is called the lawn. Yes, children, and now look here. This is called the garage. Yes, this is called the garage. What is this? This is the garage where you park your car. Yes, children, this is called what? Garage. And children, see, this is the path. Yes, the place where you walk into the house. This is the path. And this one is called the pavement. Yes, this is the pavement. What is this? This is the pavement. Children, now I am going to tell you a small story about Raju. Here is Raju. So, are you all excited to listen to the story? Yes. Okay. Raju was in school. Okay. It was time for the bell. The bell rang. Ding, 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 ding. And Raju was eagerly waiting to go home. Yes. And he thought Mama would be waiting for him. What did he do? He put on his bag, took his lunch bag and started to go home. He walked and walked and walked and walked and walked. Okay, and he reached home. He opened the gate and he went near the door and opened the door. Okay, and he went inside. Mummy, Mummy, where are you, Mummy? Mummy was not there in the living room. He went inside the living room. After he opened the door, where did he enter? He entered the living room. Yes, he entered the living room. What is this, children? Living room. As soon as he opened the door, he entered the living room. He called his mummy. Mummy was not there. Then what did he do? He dropped his bag there and removed his shoes Then Raju thought mummy must be inside the kitchen making hot puris for him. Yes. So what did he do? He just ran into the kitchen. Mummy, mummy. He went inside the kitchen. Yes. Mummy was not there in the kitchen. Was mummy there in the kitchen? No, mummy was not there in the kitchen. Oh, where has mummy gone? Mummy should be there in the house, right? Where has she gone? Raju thought, oh, I know. She must be folding clothes in the bedroom. Yes, now what did he do? He went into the bedroom. Mummy, mummy, where are you, mummy? And no, there was nobody there. Mummy was not there. Oh no, where has mummy gone? Mummy is not there in the bedroom also. Mummy is not there in the kitchen also. Then where has she gone? Oh, I think she must be on the terrace drying puppets. Let me go there and check. So, what did Raju do? He went upstairs. He went upstairs and reached the terrace. Mummy, mummy, where are you, mummy? Mummy was not there on the terrace. Oh, where has mummy gone? She should have been at home, right? She should be waiting for me. Okay, then, oh, I think she must be taking bath. So, let me check in the bathroom. So, what did Raju do now? So, he came down the stairs and he came near the bathroom. So, he just knocked the door. Mummy, mummy, are you there? He pushed the door was open and mummy was not there. Mummy was not there in the bathroom also. Then where has mummy gone? Okay, now he heard a voice from outside. Raju, are you home? Oh, mummy has come. It's mummy. So children, from the living room, where did Raju go in search of mama? Yes, he went inside the kitchen. Yes, Raju went inside the kitchen and searched for mama, and mama was not there. And after the kitchen, Raju went and searched mama in the bedroom. In the bedroom, he thought that, what did he think? He thought mama might be folding clothes in the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Okay, and from the bedroom, where did Raju go? From the bedroom, Raju went upstairs to the terrace and mummy was not there. And from terrace, where did Raju go? He went to the bathroom. Was mama there in the bathroom? Was mama there in the bathroom? No, right? Mama was not there in the bathroom also. Then what happened? Mama's voice came from outside. Raju, are you home? Oh, it's mama's voice. Mama has come. Okay, he ran to mama. Mama, I searched you in the entire house. I searched you in the living room. I searched you in the kitchen. You were not there. I searched you in the bedroom. I went upstairs to the terrace. You were not there also. And I thought you will be taking bath in the bathroom. But you were not there. Where were you, mama? Oh, Raju, the neighboring auntie had called me. I was talking and it got late. I didn't notice the time. Yes, and what did mama ask Raju then? Raju, do you want to eat something? Yes, I'll make you hot puris. I'll prepare hot puris for you. Wow, Raju was so excited and he was so happy. Wow, Mama is going to prepare puris for me. And what did he do? He had the puris, and after having, he went out to play with his friends and spent his day. So children, how was the story? So the story is about the different rooms in a house. So what all rooms are there in a house, children? Yes. So can you tell me where did Raju enter first? Yes, he entered the living room, and then after the living room, where did he go? He went to the kitchen, and then after the kitchen he went to the bedroom. Okay, and from the bedroom, where did Raju go? He went upstairs to the terrace. Then after coming down, where did he go? He went to the bathroom. Let us see all the 4 rooms in a house. Children, which room is this? This is the living room. What do you do in a living room? You watch TV, you relax also, right? Sitting on the sofa, you read books. Yes, you read books, and even your papa, mama, they read the newspaper sitting in the living room. Yes, children. Okay, now the next room is called the kitchen. This is the kitchen. What do you do in the kitchen? What does Mama do in the kitchen? Mama prepares food, yummy dishes, right? Your favorite dishes in the kitchen. Yes. Okay, and the next room is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. What do you do in the bedroom? Yes, you sleep in the bedroom, right? You sleep on the bed in the bedroom, and also your papa works with a computer or a laptop in the bedroom, right? Okay, you take rest, you sleep in the bedroom, and also papa works with a laptop or a computer in the bedroom. The next room is the bathroom. Yes, what do you do in the bathroom? Yes, you take bath. Yes, you take bath in the bathroom, you brush your teeth. Yes, this is the bathroom. Children, now let's do a small activity. Can you see the pictures over here? What is the boy doing here and what is the boy doing here? So now what you have to do is, you have to tick what you do in a living room. See here, what do you do in a living room? What is the boy doing here? He is watching TV. And here what is the boy doing? He is working with the computer. What do you do in a living room? Yes, you have to put a tick. Which one do you do in the living room? Yes, you watch TV. Alright? You watch TV in a living room. You have to choose this one. Alright, what do you do in a living room? You watch TV. Yes, children? Children, now look at these pictures, children. See, which room is this? Can you say? And which room is this? Yes, this is the, yes, tell me, this is the kitchen and this is the bathroom. How can you say this is the kitchen and this is the bathroom? Yes, what is Mama doing here? Mama is cooking, preparing food. And what is the boy doing here? He is taking bath. Okay, by looking at pictures, you should be able to identify the rooms. And now what you have to do is, you have to tick what you do in the kitchen. Alright, what do you do in the kitchen? Which one is the kitchen? Yes, this one, right? This is the kitchen. Mama prepares food in the kitchen. Alright, so you have to choose this one. Alright, children, Mama prepares food in the kitchen. So what do you do in the kitchen? Mama prepares food in the kitchen. Okay, this you don't do in the kitchen, right? So you have to choose this one. Okay children, now see the next two pictures here. See the next two pictures. So what is the boy doing here? He is sleeping. Yes, he is sleeping. And what's the boy and the girl doing over here? They are playing, right? They are playing. So children, now you have to choose the one which you don't do in the bedroom. So listen to my question carefully. What you don't do in a bedroom? Okay, see here the boy is sleeping in the bedroom, and here the boy and the girl are playing, right? What you don't do in a bedroom? This you do in a bedroom. Yes, sleeping. And what you don't do in a bedroom? Yes, this one, playing. You don't play in the bedroom, right? So you have to choose this one. Children, look at these pictures. See what is the girl doing here? Yes, she is brushing her teeth. Yes, so what room is this? This is the bathroom. And here, see, what is mama doing here? Yes, she is preparing rotis. So what room is this? This is the kitchen. Now what you have to do is, you have to choose the one which you don't do in a bathroom. Yes, what work do you don't do in the bathroom? Yes, do you cook in the bathroom? Yes, so this one you have to choose. Okay, yes, this you don't do in the bathroom. You do brushing in the bathroom. Okay, this you don't do in the bathroom. So you have to choose this one. Children, hope you all had a nice time learning the different rooms in a home. Happy learning children. See you next time. Take care. Bye.